Hi, today I've got a few Motorola Moto G62 and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first let's open notification panel, and if you want to add here some options or remove some of them or just to change their positions, we should click on this edit icon. And after that we'll see here with this invisible icons which we can add. Just to add, for example, the location option, we should hold it and drag it to this up section. By the same way we can add here more applications or icons or options. If you want to remove some of them, by the same way just hold it and then drag it to the down section, and to change their positions we should hold it and just drag it. Then just click to go back to save all the changes. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.